So, how does it feel to have the handcuffs on? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
You like having handcuffs on?
No.
No, that's the right answer.
I just need it.
So those are, let me see the handcuffs. These are the ones like the SWAT team members use.
Yeah.
The plastic ones.
Yeah. Can you please cut it off?
Oh, you never say please. Look at you. Did you
Please.
just say please?
Please. Please. Come on.
Wow. I'm going to remember this for a while.
Come
You haven't
on.
said please. Can you say please, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yeah.
Say, sir, can you take these off?
I'm take this off.
Sir?
I already did. What?
Say it again.
No. No.
All right, come here.
Don't cuff me. Don't cuff
Hold on, I got a shaky hand.
Stop. Stop.
I'm trying to take them off. That's the only way to take them off. There's no key for them.
Okay. Just don't cuff me. Just don't cuff me.
I'm crushing your head. Ah. Crush, crushing your head.
No, you didn't.
I'm crushing your head. Crush. I'm stabbing you. I'm stabbing you. All right, you want them off?
Yeah. Okay. Just don't hurt me with it. Don't play with it. Don't. Stop! Take this off.
I'm trying to. You won't.
Just come here.
I've been trying to come to you. You keep running away from me. All right, stay like that.
Okay.
Lay down.
I gotta stand up.
You want to stand up? Okay.
Don't hurt me with it.
I'm not. Just stand very still. Let me cut that one off. You're free. So you're going to be, like, good all the time?
Yeah.
Because you don't like getting arrested, right?
Yeah.
All right, good boy. Give me 5. Love you.
Love you too.